Today we're going to show you how to receive and install your dynamic stamp. So here you're at your email and you have received an email that says your dynamic stamp is attached for order number such and such. It has some instructions. These instructions can sometimes be very confusing. So we're making this video to help you get your stamp installed. So we're going to use this example of a stamp. We're going to download it to our desktop. Then we're going to minimize that. Where's our stamp? Right here. We're going to choose the copy feature. Now we're going to go to our File Explorer, and this is based on a Windows computer. Go to your C drive, Users folder, the folder that personalizes your information within this computer, not the public. So we'll double click on this is my computer, so look for a version of your name. Here we're looking for a folder called App Data, APPDATA, which is usually a hidden folder. So we'll go to the top, we'll click once, click again for the cursor to blink to the right, put a slash, it doesn't matter if it's forward or backslash, type in APPDATA, put another slash, and there's a second, oftentimes hidden folder, roaming, and hit enter. Now we want Adobe Acrobat, and most times people have DC. Look for the stamps folder. Yours should likely be empty. We're going to right click, paste, then we can minimize this for now, and we want to open up a PDF document. Let's close that. When you download your stamp out of the email, initially you want to have all PDF items closed. So we did that. So we will open our document, go to Tools, Stamp. We want Stamp, double click. This opens this menu here. Stamp, Stamp Palette, Custom Stamps. We actually want the stamp. Pull down menu. Look for a version of your company name. See when you hover over that company name that shows up in this list, a small image shows up. If you click on that small image, do you see how it did that? When you click on the image, a box pops up with your check boxes, your signature spot. Your date is auto-filled, but you can change that. Then you click Apply. Now note that the stamp came in over top of text. If you click on the stamp, you can move it. You can also make it larger or smaller. Drag it to the place where you'd like it as the final resting place. Click away, and there, your stamp is entered. Let's go back a minute. Hover over the company name, click on the stamp, and move your mouse a little. The stamp shows up. and let's choose an option. Then apply. So see, it filled the information, it filled the checkbox. Now we'll move the stamp, resize the stamp, click away, save your document.